Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another makeup tutorial. So today you guys, this is one of my prom girlies. Her dress is gold. It's like a champagne gold. And so I'm giving her like a nice kind of soft look today. So I'm going pretty soft with the brows, but I'm gonna go in and like darken the tail a little bit, but I'm not gonna do too much. She has some like clear skin, like her skin is so beautiful. She's so pretty. She doesn't wear makeup like that, which is, I mean, it's not a problem, but you know, whether you wear makeup or not doesn't matter. You still can get clear skin. But when I say she doesn't wear makeup like that, is because I think this is like her first time like actually like wearing makeup. So she was pretty shy when I asked her did she mind like being recorded. So throughout the video you kind of see her looking away. She was pretty shy, but she's so cute. But I'm going in with some Milani concealers, and I believe this is not deep tan. This is cool tan, and I'm just using that to carve out her brows. And I'm just using this mini buffer from Morphe, and I'm just buffing out the concealer. And here I am doing the other side. I'm doing the top of her brows, and I'm just cleaning up her brows a bit. You guys, oh my gosh, hopefully you guys are following me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, you guys, and TikTok, so you can see my other looks, because some of my looks I don't record. I just like, they're mainly like on my Instagram or TikTok. But yeah, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you guys can see other looks that I have. But yeah, so I'm just basically cleaning up her brows. Throughout the video I am in the way, so I'm so sorry, you guys. But yeah, so yes, them brows is looking fleeked out. You guys, you guys are amazing. We're almost to 500 subscribers. Well, kind of like halfway, but I'm still grateful and thankful for that. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys are sharing and liking my videos and subscribing to the channel. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So here I am going in with a brown shade, and I'm just using this buffer brush, and I'm just tapping that onto her eyelid, but mainly in like her crease kind of, but not towards her brows. So I'm just tapping that onto her lid, into her crease. You guys cannot tell me she doesn't give you like a little like Nikki. Like, she gives me like Nikki vibes a little bit. Like, once it gets later into the video, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Like when she opens her eyes, like when I was doing her liner, I did her eyeliner and then I was going under her eye. She looks like Nikki. Oh, who's texting me? Yeah, she looks like Nikki. Like, she's so pretty. And then I love her eyes. She has so much eyelid space. Like, this is the best part of being an MUA. You get to see so much features in different women, and it's just like so pretty. So here I am going in with just like concealer, and I'm just buffing that into her eyelid so that I'm able to apply this shimmer gold in my Juvia's Place palette. And I'm just literally tapping that on top of that concealer. And yes, so we're giving her like a nice soft look today, you guys. Yeah, So I'm just using my elf brush and I'm just tapping that onto her eyelid. Now I'm going in with the same brush that I use for the brown shade, and I'm basically just buffing out the edges just to get rid of the harsh lines in that gold shimmer shade. So I'm just blending out the edges and I'm just going back in with the gold shimmer. I also went in with it's not white diamond but white gold from jlaurecosmetics, and I applied that on top of that shimmer gold. So here I am going in with some foundation, and I'm using my Real Technique Instapot flat brush, and I basically mixed her foundations. I went in with Tahoe from NARS, and I also went in with Macao from NARS. So I placed Macao at the bottom and I used Tahoe at the top. So right now I'm just blending all that out, and then I go in with my setting brush from Real Technique to set the foundation at the top, which is Tahoe in, but I'm not really focusing like up into her eye crease as much. Here I am cleaning up her liner with the same concealer brush, and I'm just making sure her eyeliner is sharp. Here I am going in with some concealer, and I believe this is the same concealer that I used to carve out her brows, Cool Tan from Milani, and I'm using this flat brush to apply her concealer. Here I am going back in with that setting brush, and I'm just tapping that concealer under her eyes and her highlighted areas. Now I'm going in with Juvia's Place contour stick, and I believe this shade is Ganiwa, and I'm just using this Instapot brush, and I'm just buffing that contour in. She looks so beautiful. And I'm just basically going back and forth, you guys, and I'm just making sure everything is blended out well. And here I go blending under her eye, and I'm going in with AC Cosmetics and No Shine, you guys. I end up getting it. I got the bigger container. I love it, and I love the container that they use for the setting powder. It's so easy like to use. Like, it's just so easy. And like, you know, when you like get like some of your setting powder in your beauty blender and it's like too much on there, you have to dust some off. It's like they have like this, I don't know, it's like a mesh pout, like a mesh thing between the powder, and literally you just dip your beauty blender in it and like you'll receive some setting powder on there, so which makes it really good, and like, you know, you saving like money, like you don't have to waste your powder or whatever. But I really love the container that it's in. You guys should definitely go check them out. I love their setting powders. I have almost have all the shades. So here I am going in with blush. I did go in with some contour powder and from Black Radiance in medium to dark. And then I went in and I lined up her lips. And now I'm using Pout Me from Glow Up Academy to apply on her lips. Guys, excuse the noise in the background. That's my family. So please excuse all the noises. I'm so sorry, you guys. But here I am going in with MAC Studio Finish in C8. And I'm just applying that to all the places that I highlighted and basically all over her skin. And of course, I went in with some gloss and finished that look, that lip look. And here I am just applying that all over her face. Yes, she's so gorgeous, you guys. But this completes the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the love and all the comments that you guys leave under my post. Here I am just contouring her nose. But yes, this is like pretty much the end of the video. I really don't know what happened to the ending of the clip, but you guys get the picture. All I had left to do was basically put on some lashes for her. But yeah, so this is what I was talking about. She looks like Nikki right here. Like, doesn't she look like Nikki? Yes, she's so pretty. But you guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you ladies in the next video. And to my new subscribers, hi you guys, welcome to the family. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.